Hello guys, back again making videos. Today I'm gonna make two videos. So one video will be on this display case I had. I've been adding new packs recently, and I am going to make a video on new packs, some new packs I've added to my collection recently, and I got a video that I have everything ready to make on bottle rockets. I got a big surprise, I guess you can say. Well, I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna make a video on my current bottle rocket collection and something that I just acquired a few days ago. So here, these are all just 16S packs. I'm just gonna go through the packs. I haven't made a video on this display case. Some of these packs are new. Some of these packs I've had for a while. We're gonna start with a Cowboy 16S. It's a clear cello pack. I have a few of these. I found two more this week. Pretty lucky to get those. Next up is a Colt 44 ICC pack right there. That's a real nice one. Got a grenade bomb 16S. These are all 16S. Here's a Thunderbolt pack. Here's a Anchor ICC. There's an Atomic. Here's a Children brand. I think I have a 20 and a 24S on as well in this brand. And this one I just got the other day. It's a Circus brand. Real nice pack. Next is a Starlight pack. I got a few of these. I got two of these the other day. Here's a Zebra Yankee 1 5/8. This is a real nice pack. I've had this one for a little bit. This is a 1 5/8. Really cool back wrap. I really like this pack. It's a nice pack. Moving along, here is a Cock brand logos. I got a lot of those. There's a Camel, Giant Panda. I got two or three of those. This is a real nice one. This is one of, I really like this label. Cock brand. Oh, sorry about the glare. Let me see if I can take the glare off. There it goes. Here's a Cock brand 16S clear cello logos. Real nice. I have a lot of these packs, but this is the only one I think I have with clear cello. Here's a Crab logos, alligator logos. I've been finding a lot of alligator stuff lately. Different packs in different counts. Here's a Tiger. I got a lot of those as well. Logos as well. Moving along is a Super Eagle. That's another cool one. Black Hawk ICC KHT. I have a lot of those as well. ICC and DOT. Here's a Black Bat logos. Got quite a bit of them. Golden Bat. This is a real cool one as well. As you can tell, it has all the gold trim on there. Got a few 16s, 24S packs on those. And I think I have a 50. I'm not too sure. I gotta check. This is a pack I had been looking for a while. Golden Dragon. I seen it in somebody else's video on YouTube, and I had been looking for one of these. And I actually found this one, and I found two of these the same day. It's crazy. I had been waiting for a while, a few years, and it's crazy. After a few years, two of them came up on the same day, and I was able to grab both of them. Next is a Phoenix ICC. Got a ton of those. Peacock ICC logos. This is a real nice pack. I got a few sets of 16S packs of these. I had a ton of these, and I didn't think that, I didn't think much of it because I had a lot of them. So I started lighting them, and they're real great shooters. Some of my favorite shooters, and I'm down to a couple packs. But yeah, it's a real nice pack. Here's a Swallow brand, DOT, a Pigeon. Here's a Pigeon brand, ICC, pretty cool one. I think I have the ICC version and the DOT version of these. Here's a Rocket ICC. I have 16s and 20S packs in these. Next up is a Missile brand, DOT, Warrior brand. Everybody has those. I got a ton of those. I have 16s, 20s, 24s, 50, and a 50, I think, of those. Blackjacks. I have 16s. Yeah, I have blackjack logos. Yeah, so I have 16s in these. I don't know if y'all can see the logos with the glare, but yeah, they're logos. I have 16s, 20s, and I came across a 24 the other day. And I have a 50 in logos. But yeah, next is a Dixie Boy. Everybody has these as well. Dixie Boy. Another real nice pack is this one. It's a Champ ICC, Cracker Boy, Georgia Crackers. I have a few of these. I think I have two or three of those. It's a nice one. Here's a Devil Cracker Pack ICC. I got a few of those as well. And these down here are this is a cool one. I got this one a while back. This is a 16S whale, but it doesn't have any DOT or ICC, DOT markings on it. I have other Blue Label whale packs, and all of them have the DOT marking. This one doesn't. Here's a Turtle logo pack. I got a lot of those. Oh wait, I missed one. There's a Black Label 16S whale brand pack. I got a few of those. And I missed that one as well. The Red Devil ICC. I got a ton of those also. But yeah, on the whale brand, I had found a whole bunch of 100 strips at a swap. I still have a lot of them, but I had been looking for a brick of these forever. I had been looking for a brick and I thought I had found one, and no, I wasn't able to get the brick, but I got 20 S packs from that guy. I got 20 S packs, which I think were pretty hard to come by. And I was able to get a few of those of the 20 S packs. And yeah, here's a Panda 16S horse brand, real nice pack. I have 16s, and I think I have 150 left in my 50S collection. I had 2, and I got rid of 1, so now I just have 150S Panda horse brand. M80 posting. I have a set of these. I have a few of these. Here's a Dixie Boy. Here's another Dixie Boy. This one is clear cello. Real nice pack. I have 2 of these. I have 2 of those. Real nice pack. Here's a lightning pack, or whatever y'all want to call them. Red Lantern 16S, clear cello, real nice pack. And last is a bridge. Oh no, wait. There's a bridge pack, Red Lantern, and this Red Lantern pack here. I really like this label. It looks cool. Yeah. So this is just one of my display cases. I'm gonna swap out some packs tonight and try to fill it up with all ICC packs, and then I'm gonna build another one with more of the more uncommon DOT packs. But yeah, I was gonna add to the video. Besides this, these are just new packs I acquired recently. ICC alligator. It's not logos, but I got a few of these. Here's another ICC. Some of them are Kwang Hing ties, logos. Real nice packs. 16S. And the one I just showed y'all was what is it? Ki Chung Hong pack, but it's not logos. So yeah, I got some with logos. And then here's another one, different one, but it has a different name on it. It's not logos though. It has a green wrap on it. And those were all 16s. And these are 20S. 20S Kwang Hing Tai logos. Y'all can see them there. Real nice packs. So I got a few 16S logos. Some of those other ones that didn't have logos. Here's another 20S Kwang Hing Tai with logos. Pretty cool. Alligator's one of the labels I like a lot. Here's another cowboy pack. These are all just sample packs, but I really like the Western boy cowboy labels. I really like the artwork on them. Adding on to new packs is just this Warrior 20S. Nothing special, but has daisies. I got another one of these Warrior packs, 111/16. I have 2 of these, 2 or 3 of these now. Real nice pack. And I had got a Warrior, just another Warrior. Can't really see in there. I'm not sure what it has in it. But yeah, these are all new. Well, some of these are new packs. All of those are new packs. And I just had some time tonight, and I wanted to make another video. So Yeah, these are all 16S packs. I'm about to make another video on bottle rockets, and I got something pretty cool to show y'all. Y'all stay tuned, keep watching my videos, like my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.